presentation of our trip to Turkey, which we enjoyed very much. This is Line, this is Lisette, this is Katrine, and I'm Mette, and we'd like to show you a couple of pictures from our trip, which we enjoyed very much.
I was one of the lucky students that get to go to Turkey, and it's part of the Comenius project. There is 8 other countries. It is Turkey, Italy, Spain, Portugal, Hungary, Germany, Estonia, and Denmark. In this picture, I'll be sitting in the airport and eating breakfast. And this is my headmaster. This is my Danish teacher, Susanne. This is Line and me, and over there, Mette and Katrin.
I remember that. It was when my soda exploded. Water everywhere.
This is Seval. We at the time we got very close, and this picture was taken when we was in her room and eating pizza and seeing a movie. That was really nice, and I had not expected that I would get such a good friendship with other people.
I would like to talk about the house I lived in and some food later. This is from the outside of the house, and this is all you're gonna see. I lived in a small house, but it was nice and cozy, and I lived with a sweet family. They were really nice. At the time we got to the airport in Istanbul, we were very hungry. It was lunchtime, so we needed to get some food. So we tried Turkish food for the first time, and that's the picture here. At the family I lived in, they have this tea burner. The tea was in, and in this one there was water in, and then they mixed it, so they got the Turkish tea. So this is me in Istanbul. We saw a pirate with a monkey, and we ran after him to get a picture with him. And then he put the monkey on my shoulder, and it was so weird to try that. It was a really nice experience. It was so cool.
Did you feel it?
Yes. And I feeded it with bread, so it was fun to try.
It's really cute.
It is.
Yeah, I would like to talk about the school in Narita, which is a vocational school. And as you can see, it's very different from the schools in Denmark. The furnitures are very different too. And in the school, they make their own things, like they make their own music, and they make their own pencils and soap and things like that. And then we were on a bazaar in Istanbul, and there were a lot of shops and things you can buy. And as you can see on the picture, there's some lamps, very colorful lamps.
Oh, I remember that. It was really nice at the shopping center, and there was a lot of animals too. I want to talk about Istanbul, and this is the blue mask. In Istanbul, there's a lot of old things you can see. Yes.
It's a very beautiful place.
Yes. This is Hagia Sophia, which is an old Christian church, but now it's a Muslim church or mosque. Inside you can see a lot of Christian things, like Jesus is on the wall, and there's also a lot of Muslim things, like a lot of signs, and the feeling you get in there is very, very special. This is my host family. This is Dylan, which was my host girl, and I spent a lot of time with her, and she was really sweet to me. This is her little brother. This is her big brother's wife, and this is her mother. Her father is working a lot to earn a lot of money, so he's not in the picture. But the whole family was really sweet to me. So
That was our presentation of Turkey.
thank you for listening. Thank you.